Hello everyone, this is Shonku and today I am going to be discussing this is UPSC Main 2021 Botany Paper 1. As you know, you have to do only question number 1 and 5 is compulsory and 3 have to be done from any other question, and from each section you have to choose one. So coming to the point, this one is section A, and as you can see the first one is compulsory and first one is having 5 options. So answer the following in about 150 words. So A is describe the structure and functions of Cyphely and Cephalopodia in lichen. This one is 10 marks. What are prions? How are these different from viroids? How are prion transmitted? Okay, this one total is 10 marks. Explain the structure of sporangiophore and dehiscence of sporangium of Rhizopus. So sporangium and dehiscence of sporangium of Rhizopus. This one is 10 marks. D is having enumerate the merits and demerits of numerical taxonomy. This one is also numerical taxonomy, and this one is also 10 marks. So E is briefly discuss the distribution of gymnosperm in India. This one is also having 10 marks. So option 2 is also 3 options A, B, C. You have to do all this. Okay, explain conjugation and transformation in bacteria. Write a brief note on their significance. 20 marks. B is explain evolution of sex in algae with suitable examples. This one is also 20 marks. The number C is describe the concept of progymnosperms with the help of suitable examples. Describe the concept of progymnosperm with the help of suitable examples. 10 marks. Option 3 is also having 3 options A, B, and this one is C. So A is discuss about the names of causal organism, symptoms, disease cycle, and management of loose matter of wheat. What are the difference between rust and smart fungi? Okay. Discuss about the name of causal organism, symptom, disease cycle, and management of loose matter of wheat. What are the significance between rust and smart fungi? This is 20 marks. Option B is enumerate the salient feature of fossil gymnosperms using suitable examples with special reference to Benitialis and Chordatalis. 20 marks. Option C is give the general characteristic of bryophyte, enlist the resemblance and differences in bryophyte and pteridophyte. So given general characteristic of bryophyte का characteristic बताना है 5 marks, and enlist the resemblance and difference, similarity and dissimilarity between bryophyte and pteridophytes. Total 10 marks, so 5 marks and 5 marks. Option 4 is also having 3 options A, B, C. A is explain with the help of schematic diagrams haplontic, diplontic, isomorphic, heteromorphic, and triphasic cycle types of life cycle in algae. Give an example of in each. 20 marks. Haplontic, diplontic, isomorphic, heteromorphic, and triphasic life cycle in algae with example and diagram. Okay, 20 marks. Option B is describe stellar diversity in vascular cryptograms along with its evolutionary significance. Okay, importance, same thing. Describe the stellar diversity in vascular cryptograms along with its evolutionary importance. 20 marks. Okay, 20 marks. C is discuss the application of microbes in bioremediation of soil and water. Bioremediation of soil and water, 10 marks. This is option A is done. Section A is done. Section B is also 5. Also the question is 5 and question number 5 is having 5 options, and the one is enumerate different kind of trichomes and explain their taxonomic importance. 10 marks. Option B is discuss the advanced features of Asteraceae and Orchidaceae. Only advanced features of Asteraceae and Orchidaceae, each 5 marks and 5 marks. Option C is explain the importance of ethnobotany in human welfare, 10 marks. D is mention the evolutionary changes that occur during the domestication of plants, also mention its advantages and disadvantages. So characteristic 5 marks and advantage and disadvantage 5 marks 5 marks 10 marks, total 10 marks. E is discuss the concept of cellular totipotency in higher plants, 10 marks. Question number 6 is also having 3 options, A, B and C. Okay, the A is saying describe the development of female gametophytes in angiosperm with the help of suitable diagrams, 20 marks. Option B is give the botanical name, part used and ethnomedical importance of any 3 species in each Fabaceae, Euphorbiaceae and Liliaceae, 20 marks. Okay, the C is saying define secondary metabolites, explain their importance in taxonomy, 10 marks. Option C, question number 7 is also having 3 options. The first one is describe the economic botany of fiber and gum yielding plant, 5 species, example, 20 marks. Discuss the factors affecting somatic embryogenesis. This one is asking about somatic embryogenesis and the factors responsible for that, 20 marks. Not factors not responsible, affecting somatic embryogenesis, this is 20 marks. Question number C is asking about describe the methods of isolation of protoplast from leaf tissue. This one is 10 marks. Question number 8 is also having 3 options. The first option is compare and contrast preservation and conservation of plants, explain their importance of both in the utilization and management of plant resources. This one is 20 marks. I'll read it again. Compare and contrast preservation and conservation of plants. This one is 10 marks. Explain the importance of both the utilization and management of plant resources. This one is 10 marks, total 20 marks. Option B is saying describe different stages of micropropagation and discuss its advantages over conventional method of propagation, 20 marks, total 20 marks. Describe different stages of micropropagation, 10 marks, and discuss its advantages over conventional method of propagation, 10 marks, total 20 marks. Option C is saying explain the technique used in producing androgenic haploid and its application in agriculture. Explain the technique used in producing androgenic haploids, that means from pollen culture, maybe. Yes, haploid, pollen, androgenic means male, so pollen culture and its application in agriculture, 10 marks. So these are all the questions from botany paper means and 2021. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. If you want to remember all this question again, go through all this again from the beginning. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.